Speaking Academy.
Today let's have an English conversation. Using classroom language. Are you ready? Let's begin. Can I go to the board? Can I go to the board? Can I go to the toilet? Can I go to the toilet? Can I switch on the lights? Can I switch on the lights? Can I switch off the lights? Can I switch off the lights? Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Can we pack our things now? Can we pack our things now? Can I answer the question? Can I answer the question? Can I go out? Can I go out? Can I sharpen my pencil? Can I sharpen my pencil? Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. May I go out, please? May I go out, please? May I come in, please? May I come in, please? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. What page are we on? What page are we on? What is the homework? What is the homework? Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? I am ready. May I start it? I am ready. May I start it? Can I answer the question? Can I answer the question? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? I have done this. I have done this. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Stop talking and be quiet. Stop talking and be quiet. Close your books. Close your books. Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Back to your place. Back to your place. When is the exam? When is the exam? Thanks for listening.